Prayatna.
Hello, myself Binsi G. I'm an audiologist and speech language pathologist practicing at Prayatna Center for Child Development, Palarivattam, Cochin. It can be difficult for parents to engage and play with your child with autism initially. Especially with hectic schedules, it can be difficult to find some time to cope up with some creative ideas. Today, I have come up with some easy interactive play ideas for all your parents out there to start engage with your child. Now, what is the importance of interactive play? Interactive play is extremely important in building rapport and also in getting joint attention and genuine social connection. We should try to get natural eye contact, smiles, and vocalizations during this time. Idea 1. Bubble play. Bubbles are one of the best ways to catch a child's attention. You just have to blow them, pop, catch them, and snap. Easy, right? Also, this activity is a great one to get a child's request for bubbles. Idea 2. Balloons. With balloons, there are so many different games you can play. You can do the blow and toss, the blow up and let go, draw silly faces, and balloon badminton. Idea 3. Blocks. Initially, blocks are just about stacking and crashing it. But as your child develops, blocks are good foundation to build your child's attention and appropriate leisure skills. Idea 4. Books. Create a love for books by choosing the type of books that are age appropriate and that your child will find interesting. Some of the books for early learners that I love to include would be interactive books such as pop-up books, books with sounds, lift the flaps, and even puppets. Idea 5. Ball play. Balls are an easy toy to keep your child active. Some of the activities that I do include bouncing, rolling, kicking, and getting it in the hoops. Idea 6. Baby play. Playing with the baby dolls like bathing, changing nappy, feeding, putting it to sleep is a great starting point for pretend play. This activity, however, may be a little difficult if your child does not have strong imitation skills yet, but don't give up. Start with one action and prompt initially. Last but not the least, Idea 7. Bubble bath play. Bath times can be fun and a great opportunity for appropriate play. You can use a bathtub or even a large pail. Most kids love water play and you can have numerous different bathing activities such as fishing for toys in the bathtub, water wheel, and even just making bubbles. As you can see, the key is to choose activities that have a cause and an effect element. When I say cause and effect, cause is a thing that make other things happen and effect refers to what it results in. In short, one event causes others to happen. Just like babies in their first years, children with autism may have very limited interest initially. So, it is very important to use activities that are interesting and able to catch their attention. Some important tips. Play face to face, observe your child and look out for smiles and eye contact. Initiation is very important as it shows their interest in building. Reinforce all forms of communication for the activity and keep the activities short and successful. And there you have it, interactive play ideas for children with autism. I hope these tips gives you more ideas on information on how to create opportunities with your child in a more fun and interactive way. If you have any queries, please feel free to write to us at enquiry@pragna.net. Thank you.
Prayatna.